Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to know the benefits of Amla. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, has been prized for centuries in traditional medicine and Ayurvedic practices for its incredible health benefits. This tiny green fruit is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. Many of us today face common health issues such as low immunity, skin problems, digestive issues, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. These health problems can be crippling, affecting not only our physical health, but also our mental well-being and overall quality of life. Amla, with its rich nutritional profile, has been shown to address many of these issues, making it an attractive addition to our diets. In today's fast-paced world, our lifestyles often lead to compromised immune systems, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Amla's high vitamin C content makes it an excellent immunity booster, helping to protect us from infections and diseases. Our skin also takes a beating from environmental stressors, pollution, and unhealthy diets, leading to issues like acne, premature aging, and dullness. Amla's antioxidants and fatty acids can help to nourish and protect our skin, giving us a radiant glow. Our digestive health is also crucial to our overall well-being, and Amla has been shown to support digestion and relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. By incorporating Amla into our diets, we can experience improved digestive health, reduced inflammation, and even weight loss. With its impressive list of health benefits, it's no wonder Amla is considered a superfood. One of the most compelling benefits of Amla is its incredible antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals in our bodies, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. Amla's antioxidant capacity is one of the highest among all fruits, making it an excellent addition to our diets. By consuming Amla regularly, we can experience improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and even anti-aging benefits. Amla's benefits extend to our skin as well. The vitamin C in Amla can help to brighten and even out our skin tone, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidants can also help to protect our skin from environmental stressors, pollution, and UV damage. By incorporating Amla into our skincare routines, we can experience improved skin health, reduced acne, and a more radiant complexion. Perhaps the most significant benefit of Amla is its role in boosting immunity. With its high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, Amla can help to protect us from infections and diseases. By incorporating Amla into our diets, we can experience improved immune function, reduced illness, and even enhanced mental clarity. Incorporating Amla into our diets can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. From boosting immunity to supporting digestion and skin health, Amla is a superfood that deserves our attention. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the amazing benefits of Amla. If you've had any experiences with Amla or have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about superfoods, be sure to check out my next video.